If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in basic level where we are building concepts on ellipse. So today you will see different types of ellipse, type 1, type 2, basically two types, then it is modified to another two types and associated formulas, how we can remember all these formulas. Okay, then let's see this. So different types of parabola ellipse we have seen. First this type only we have seen. So here we will explore all other 3-4 types, which is same, only extension of this one. So this one, all formulas we have seen. You one additional formula, you remember this one, 1 minus b square by a square. Here a is greater than b. Now what I have done here, you can do it in that way also, that is also very useful. Here I have to kept that ab same, but here only b is greater than a. So wherever your formula a is there, it will be changed to b. But in some book, or it will be good also if you keep a is greater, that means you change this one, you remember it in this way, y square x square by b square, y square by a square equal to 1. Which one is bigger, that you take at a, then these changes will be less, because then major axis will be 2a, because this y below will be a, so then this will be 2, all these formulas will remain same, only the positions will change, because it is a0, here it will be 0a. But what I have done here, I have taken b is greater than a, whatever way you feel comfortable. You remember in this way or that way. Let me explain it this way. So because I have taken b is greater, now you see your ellipse shape is changed. Now it is major axis is your y axis. So it is 2b, it will be 2b, it will be 2a. These points are a. Vertices are 0b, 0b, 0 minus b, that you can see. E will now change, because it will be always smaller one by bigger one, because e should be less than 1, that you have to change. Thick. Because a is smaller, so a should be upper, b is lower. Foci is here 0 comma b, 0 comma minus b. If you consider this one, a is greater than b, if you keep it like this, then your foci will be 0 comma a, 0 comma minus a. Means your formulas will remain same more or less. You remember in which way you feel good. Directries, here it was a by a, here it will be b by a and minus b by a. Length of rectangle, it was 2b square by a, it was 2a square by b. Extreme point was the lattice rectum. This extreme point, this one we have seen, a comma minus b square. Here it will be, because this will come, it will be a square by b, first a square by b, then b. This is point is b, this height is b. And l dash will be minus a square by b, this side is a minus a square by b, and his height is still b. And this m is a square by b, minus a square by b, minus b, that you can see. This length is b square, a square by b, and this length is b plus b minus b. Type 3 is nothing but type 1, but here center is shifted to hk. Now you can think it of this way also. Your center is hk, major axis is same 2a, because that length remains same. E is also remaining same, only change will be foci. So what will be your foci? From here to here it was ae, so now it will be changed by h plus ae, and this side, because it is minus a, so h minus e. Same. Directries, it was a by e, because you move this side, so h plus ae, and one is minus a by e, so it will be h minus a by e, because you want to come this side. Length of the rectangle 2b square by a. Extreme points, it was ae comma b square by a, so it will be h plus ae comma b square by a plus k, because it is already at k height, so plus b square by a. Another one will be h plus ae, and then b square by a will be deducted, k minus b square by a. This side it is h minus ae. If you go upper, then it will be plus. If you go lower, then it will be minus. Vertices, what will be these vertices? This is h, then ae. Again you do this correction. This is vertices is this point. This length is a, so it is h plus a, height is k. This is h minus a, height is k. So do this little change. Similar here. Here center will be shifted to hk. All these are same. Major axis, minor axis. This length will be 2b, 2a in terms of, because here b and a changed, and it will be just changing only. And here it will be h comma, because it is changed, so it is h comma k plus b and k minus b. You can see it will be y equal to, here it was x equal to, here y is equal to, because directries are this fashion here, k plus b, k minus b, 2a square by b, and all these extreme points. Now you can also think of vertices also. Here these two vertices, this is coming below b, this is coming up, so it is h comma k plus b is up, k minus b is below. These two vertices. So this you can remember either way. Either you change AB, or you kept AB in this way, Either here A is greater than B, here B is greater than A, or you keep it like this and you take the bigger one as A, then there will be not so changes. Whichever way you feel good, that will be okay for you. But the basic thing you should know, what is the distance from here to here, here to here. That thing if you know, then it is, you can do anything. No need to remember all these formulas. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.